Okay, here we have the Equity Model 4001. Now this clock auto adjusts for time change, internal memory for time and calendar, indoor temperature display, PM and alarm on indicators. What I really like about this is in the back of the battery compartment, you can change your time zone right in the back of it. So I have it set on East Coast. I put the batteries in this and the time loaded in a millisecond. This clock set itself for me. It's got an ear-piercing alarm, which I really like for a little guy. It's kind of like the lightweight of heavyweights. Very sleek, very thin. Equity.